Hey there, today we are looking at the affiliate marketing tutorial on Amazon. How to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. This is a simple, quick tutorial, and this is how the step-by-step process on exactly how I do this. There are 5 steps to this process of mine. Pay attention to each step because if you skip one, you skip the most, it might be something important you will be missing. So let's focus on all the steps. So what is step one? Step one is you need to create an account. Okay, you're promoting on Amazon, so you need to have an Amazon account, right? So that is step one, create an Amazon account. So how do you do that? So let's look at. So just go to Google and just type Amazon affiliate program. There are different affiliate programs depending on different countries. Okay, each country has its own certain policies, because the country laws might prohibit certain things. So that's why, suppose you're going to promote in India, it will be affiliate program.amazon.in. You are targeting Europe, UK, US. You can actually create an Amazon.com account, and then you have link everything together into one account, so that whether people buy from UK or they are buying from US, you will get the commission, right? So that was one. You just need to create, go to this link and start creating the account. It is a straightforward step-by-step process. Just create the account. The thing to remember is that once the account is created and you send traffic to this account, it will not, unless you make 3 sales in one sale in 1 month. I am not sure about that, but it will deactivate your account, and that is totally fine. Don't worry about that. Just you need this account though to get started on earnings with Amazon. So just create the account and keep it. Okay. So step one was creating an account, and specifically creating the Amazon account. Next step is to we need to move on to step two, and that is one of the most important things. Some people start with this, uh, uh, selecting a niche, which is probably the right way to do. I have created the I asked you to create the Amazon.in account. To get it out of the way, it's just a formality, and let's do a niche selection. There are many ways how you can select the niche. One, and the way I do it is I try to think what do I like, and I focus on that, because it is very difficult for me to create content for something which I am not interested in. I lose focus and I let it go, and I have done that multiple times. So I realized that that is not at all working for me. But there are people who will select something called as a hot niche, like spirituality, marketing, finance, credit cards. And what they do is they outsource the content. They'll have somebody else do the content for them, pay the money. Some pay huge amounts, believe me, because we also create content for others, and we are in the lowest rung. We charge very low, and I know people who charge 4 or 5 times more than that, and I do not know how they justify their cost, but people are willing to pay top dollar for content creation. So if you have the money and the resources, go ahead and select any niche which you think is very popular, like for example, spirituality, as I said, astrology. These are hidden niches. Okay, nobody will tell you about these. Astrology, what does the number 111 mean? What is number 7 mean? Okay, what if you see this dream, what is it? And then you can send the traffic to something in Amazon, right? Maybe there are special charm necklaces are there, Amazon amethyst stones, moon stones, okay, or jewelry, okay. So select a niche. I will also show you one more way. Just hang on while I. So if you go to Amazon and you select on all categories, regular Amazon.in, Amazon.com site, select all categories, you will see that different categories are there. And some people go through these various categories and then think that, okay, what is it that I would like to work with? So let's, for example, say beauty and health, right? So in beauty and health, again, you can see here how many subcategories are there. You can have grooming, personal care, styling devices, men's grooming, health care. So there's so much stuff here. You can micro niche, as they say, go deep down. Okay, and the more deep down you go, not too deep, but like say you are only focusing first on say health and personal care, and then you can later focus on say men's grooming devices. Okay, so keep your options open. Don't um, tie yourself to one thing, and try to go a little narrow as you can, because the competition will be very less if you do that. Okay, and let's move on to the next step, assuming that you have understood and you have picked one niche. So I just wanted to, before I forget, let you know that when you select a niche, remember that when you're creating content, language also matters. Okay, if you're going to create content, say in German language, and also your website or whatever platform you're using to create content also has content in say English and then another language like French, don't do that. It'll mess the system up. Stick to one language. Try to stick to one niche if possible. Yes, there are many people who have multiple niches and they call themselves like lifestyle bloggers and bloggers. They will create content about what they had, what they wear, how they live. But unless you are able to generate that much traffic, and you can create say mind blowing content, just stay away from it, because the chances of converting that are very 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 slim, right? Next, so we created the Amazon account, we selected a niche. Okay, what is step 3? Step 3 is the actual content creation. You have selected a niche, so you know certain products you're going to focus on. So we will be creating the content. So what kind of content? You can be creating a video is a content. You can be creating an article. So this is there are different types of content you can be creating. So this is one way of deciding on what you can want to create content about. So I am back on the Amazon site and say I want to promote fragrances, and I look at the different fragrances types. Okay, there's deodorants and roll-ons. I could focus on perfumes, body sprays and mist, etc. Okay, so what do I do is that an author and you do toilet. So let me show you how I can uh, focus on something based on this. Okay, so I go to Google, as you can see the screen, and I start typing body spray, and you can see Google starts suggesting things. So let me say let's focus on women, and when you start typing it, have you noticed how it is adding, see that working out, for body spray for working out. Now that's another keyword, and like that you find keywords to write about. Okay, and one secret tip is that look at the first site which is coming, 6 best body sprays for men, and then there is an Amazon, and then there's a forum. If there's a forum, it's very easy to outrank it. Okay, so what I will do is that I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to copy this URL, and I'll go to a site called Uber Suggest this, paste this URL here and click on search. Okay, So this is a live which I'm doing. So I have not visited this website before. So I don't know what kind of results will come. So they are saying around 4 million organic keywords it's ranking for, and it gets around 9 million visitors a month, and it has a domain score of 88. What exactly am I looking for? I'm looking for what are they ranking for? What is their the best keywords, and I can use similar keywords to write about, right? So that is how we pick up keywords. We pick up keywords and we decide on topics to write about. So this is one easy way to do it. You're just looking at what your competitors are doing and then trying to write something or make something better than them. So here is another example I wanted to show. So I started typing in body spray for women, and there are many things which are coming up, like body mist for ladies, female body spray brands, best body mist for female, body splash for ladies. See, I never knew of something called body splash. So that is another keyword which I can target. So similarly, I'm going to type in body splash for ladies. Then I go down and I check what are the sites which are ranking first. The first is the Amazon.in, and then looks like YouTube videos are ranking. Okay, and then there's the Nika, there's bestproducts.com, style craze. So this is a very difficult website to outrank. Then the Pinterest pins you can easily outrank. So you're just getting an idea of what all keywords are there. So another way you can do is you just copy this keyword, select all, copy, then you go to Uber suggest. Oops. Okay, and then you type in that particular keyword here and look at what kind of suggestions are coming up for this particular keyword. Sometimes it will say that there are no suggestions. I already searched multiple times, so it's asking me to log in, and it's I'm using the free version of Uber Suggest. So you can also get 5 free searches per day. That's a lot. That's 150 per month, and that's enough to do keyword research. So it's searching for me, and it's going to tell me, one is the trend. Is it a rising trend, falling trend? It's also suggestions. It's going to give me similar keywords and the SEO difficulty. So it's saying it's a moderate difficulty, and you can see that it had a dip once and it's now a general trend. So that's good. And it's saying that you get approximately 30 searches per month, and around 36 is the search difficulty. And this one is body spray for ladies. It's a 30 is your SEO difficulty. So I can pick similar keywords like this, right? So that is how I do my keyword research. So we've done the research and we are going to now create our content. Step 3 is creating our content. So content can be in any form. You can create video content, you can write an article. So I have keyword research, topical research uh, videos in this particular channel. Please do check it out, because I show you even more in-depth way of finding these particular keywords which will get you traffic, and once you get traffic you can convert them, right? So you can either write an article or you can write a video, make a video. Step 4 is, once you've done this, where do you put this content? So the ideal way I would recommend is have your own website. And if you are looking for that, I have an offer. I have a hosting which I use and recommend, and it's there in the description. Or you can use a free site called Medium, or you can use Blogger, or and for hosting your YouTube videos you can use YouTube, which is the best. Okay, and I also have something called as a 24-hour ranking system, and you can get access to this free video by going to indianmomblogs.com/youtube, and it will show you how to push your videos up in YouTube so that you can generate more sales. Okay, so step 5 is traffic. Do check out indianmomblogs.com/youtube. If you it's one of the best ways. You can also check out indianmomblogs.com/pinterest. Both the links will be in the description, and that is very good to send traffic. Pinterest traffic converts very well, and it's really good. The things to remember is that Amazon links cannot uh, try not to put them directly on Pinterest. If you ask an Amazon representative, they will tell different people have received different answers. Some have said that yes, you can directly embed Amazon products. Some have said that you cannot. So it's a safer to have a link to your website or your video, and that video is sending the people to the product, okay, on Amazon. Don't directly, if possible, send them to Amazon, because these rules are changing so much, and then you have to disclose. So if you are directly linking out to a product like that, you will have to disclose, on Pinterest, saying that it's a sponsored. Even on YouTube, if somebody is paying you money to put that video out, you have to say it's sponsored. So there are many things you should keep in mind. So the best way is create a website and send them to that particular web page, and through that web page you can send to any product. And another thing is Amazon links. If say you are linking from in the description of your video, you should not put short links like bit.ly or something like that. Do not shorten the links. Use the link given as is in Amazon. It's against the terms and conditions if you change the or modify the link in any way, shape or form. And also you need a disclaimer. Look at the description of this particular video. You'll see how I have used the disclaimers. Okay, that is required by law. So for sending traffic, you can send organic traffic, paid traffic, Pinterest traffic, and I have multiple videos on this channel sharing these strategies for you. So please do check it out. And for organic traffic, I use my blog method. I write find the best keywords, write the particular article, and embed images and all that, and Amazon affiliate links into that particular article. And over time, it generally around 4 to 6 months it takes for these articles to rank in Google, and then you can generate sales. Paid is you can use YouTube ads, you can use Pinterest ads, Facebook ads to get traffic to your website and offer. And Pinterest marketing, I have a special series going on. Please do check that out. All the links should be in the description. So these are 5 steps you can use to create passive income from Amazon using affiliate marketing.